Howdy y'all, it's Kentucky Ranger. I'm going to try and start a new show here. I know a lot of people are doing it, and it's probably getting wore out on the internet, but I figured, hey, I'm going to give y'all the hillbilly's reaction. Well, I'm kind of a hillbilly. I've lived in Kentucky for 20 years. I was raised in Utah, but I've lived here long enough that I'm kind of a hillbilly. Let's just say Kentucky's grown on me. So I started. I didn't start. I found this snack crate, and what they do is once a month they send you. I guess it's a crate, it's a box. They call it a crate, whatever. Num num num. But I got the small one. I'm not getting the big fancy one. I think it's like $14, or no, it's $14.99, something like that a month. But each month you get something from around the world. And I thought, well, people around the world have different tastes and stuff. So I thought, I'll give a hillbilly's palate a chance to chime in on what this stuff really tastes like, and we'll see if it works. If it don't work, this might be the first and the last episode. We'll find out. So here we go. I haven't even cut into this, and I think it's supposed to be from Korea, but y'all gonna find out right along with me. So let's bust into that. Ooh, to sharpen my knife. Either that or that is one tough sticker. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. It is! Yay! This month's crate is from Korea. Korea? Which Korea? I'm sure South Korea, because I doubt North Korea. That would be interesting, though, wouldn't it? To get North Korea and see what the North Korean people eat. So, South Korea. South Korea is an extraordinary country filled with beautiful beaches, thriving cities, ancient temples, remarkable natural scenery. Okay. Almost all restaurants deliver. They'll even come back for your dirty dishes. Wow, now that's surface.
The dining room is 50 yards from the bar, so the barmaids get there in a hurry on roller skates. Proprietor Stump, never Stump for an idea, advertised for skating barmaids to improve his service, and the two girls he picked are experts. Nora Inwood, who's 27, was born in India, where she learned to skate.
Over 250 kinds of kimchi. I like kimchi. If you don't know what kimchi is, Google it. You'll find out. It's not that bad. I tell you what, if you like sauerkraut, you'll like kimchi. I'll leave it at that.
Today we're gonna learn all about kimchi. Kimchi. If you're interested in Korea, you must know about kimchi, because Koreans cannot live without their kimchi.
Almost half the country's residents have the last name Kim. Well, when you're born in South Korea, you are already considered a year old. You know what? Now that's smart. Because actually, 9 months, but hey, that's close. South Korean men love makeup, spending close to $900 million a year. Dudes? With makeup? What? Okay. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is just going into the food and different things. So let's just dig in. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is some kind of Here's a hot tip. Summer is here, and that means some items can melt or get soft in warmer temperatures. We recommend placing your crate in the refrigerator. Well, that's a helpful hint. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, it's even sealed with the little Korean flag seal. Let's break this open. Doing, 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 doing. We need Korean music in the background. I don't know if I can do that without copyright infringement. Here we go. What are we going to start off with? I don't know. Where are we going? Cho pie. Cho pie since 1974 with marshmallow filling. You know what that is? No, wait a minute. That's not Korean. That's a moon pie. Since 1974. Okay. Well, here we go. Cho pie. Oh, Lord. So let's see what... Good Lord. Y'all didn't want to get into this. Get into there. There we go. It's a moon pie. Or cho pie. Oh, I'm sorry. Choco pie. I'm sorry. Cho pie. Choco pie. What do I call it? Cho pie. Choco pie. Choco pie. Hi. Anyway, let's give it a taste here. Ooh. You know what? It's a moon pie, but the cookie part is lighter. See how it's not crunchy cookie like a moon pie, but not too bad. It's not really sickening sweet. Okay, pretty good. Choco pie, not cho pie. I don't know why I said cho pie. Choco pie. I get into that. Yeah, it tastes pretty good. Let's see what else we got here. Cancho Choco biscuit. Ain't he cute? Oh, look, love. Choco biscuit. Loti. Latte? I don't know how you say it. What does it say? Day, month, year, product date, Best Buy. Apparently it was made 2/17 of 16, and it's good till 2/16 of 17. That's what I'm gathering by that. I don't know. Nutrition Valley, who cares? It's so cute. Look at it. Wink, wink. Let's see why the wink, wink. The box is a little weird. It opens. Well, it opens for the splendor of the concho. Loki concho. Your little winky guy. Wink, wink. Let's see what we got here. We have... Crap. What is that? Okay, let's... Are they all the same? Yeah, they're little bread-looking thing. I don't know what that is. Here's one looks like it's got... It does. This one has a little face on it. Let's see if you can see that. Like a little fake. You just barely make it out. Apparently, it's the little cacho dude. Oh, here's an... Okay. It's on all of them. It's just different little thing that looks like stars or something. I don't know. Well, let's just dig in and see what they're... It's not too bad. It's about 1.5 good. And you see, there's chocolate stuff in the middle of it. I'm noticing something already from what I've been eating so far. Oops. That this camera a little closer. There we go. I'm noticing a theme here that Sweets from Korea aren't as sweet as Americans are used to. Ooh. Have no idea what that says. Let's see what that is. It's got a strawberry on it. Well, I'm trying to. Oh. Well, I don't see. I don't see that listed as one of my treats. Strawberry. Probably missing. It's probably French pie. I don't know, but there's a strawberry on it, and whatever that says, I think I got it upside down. Delicious and fresh baked pie. That must be it. The French pie. I don't know why they don't have pets. No, that ain't the only one, because the Choco pies, they don't have a picture of the box. But okay. French pie. Fresh jam on top of flaky and buttery pasted. We've included too. Apple and strawberry. Oh, okay. Strawberry. Apple. Oh, okay. Okay, I got it now. And they're called French pie. I guess that goofy writing means French pie. I don't know. Delicious and fresh baked pie. So, strawberry. I love strawberry. I'm kind of allergic to strawberry, but I don't care. I don't. As long as I don't eat too much, I'm okay. Ooh, that is flaky. Oops. Better be careful. That is very flaky. Jeez, Louise, come on. Now they're making a mess. Mess. Okay, well, it's kind of sticky. Oh man, thank God I got a vacuum. Okay, it's very, very flaky. Very. Ooh, got it. Oh, my keyboard getting it all over it. The apple jam, yeah. It's kind of appley. Oh, wait a minute, I'm sorry. That's the strawberry jam. Well, strawberry or apple, there ain't much of a flavor to it, so I couldn't tell. But, okay, looks like, it's okay. That would be good with coffee or tea. And, that's about it. Let's see. Ooh. I guess the jam part's sticking. It's not bad. It's not what I'm liking is things from Korea. They're sweets, and I've watched other people in their vlogs that for some reason, I guess the United States, us Americans, our sweets are a lot sweeter than everywhere else. Okay, that looks more appley. So let's see what we got here. Oh, I like the strawberry. It might be because I ate the strawberry one before the apple one. Boy, right there at first I got this plasticky, chemically, is that a word? Plasticky taste. but it's not very sweet. Interesting. Now, I guess that's my last. What is that? Pup chew. Noodle snack. Don't boil it, crunch it. Best before June of 2017. Otagi. So apparently, these are ramen noodles. Bagoy flavor. What is bagoy? God, I even want to know. Pee-poo-shoo. Don't, it's even serious. Don't boil it. Right there. Don't boil it. This ramen is meant to be eaten as a cracker. Check out the directions on the back. You mean you all ain't gonna tell me what bulgogi flavor? What is bulgogi flavor? And the little kid's got a sledgehammer like he's getting ready to go pound me on the head. Cool logo. Have no idea what it says. How to enjoy. Oh, here we go. Oh, and it's in English. How to enjoy. Step 1, smash noodles. Step 2, I guess that's why he's got a sledgehammer. Okay, I'm getting it. Step 2, sprinkle spices any way you desire. Oh, there must be spice thingies. Step 3, shake and enjoy. Here we go. Get ready. Y'all ready? Boy, or poo-poo-shoo, or whatever. Push-you. I'm not gonna push-you it too much. I'm gonna very carefully cut this open. Otherwise, I'll have push-you all over, or bagoy. Bulgogi. Okay. Ramen noodles. They're ramen noodles. Okay. Here's my pack of spices. Ramen spice? Come on. Really? Okay. Sprinkle as desired. Let me... I don't want a whole lot. First, let me... Oh, God. Woo! Oh, my God. Yeah, I don't want too much on there. I'll just put a little bit. Oh. Shake them up. Shake, rattle, and roll. Good shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. Okay. Oh my God. Woo. That's spicy. Okay. Ow. 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 I'm still not sure what bulgogi is. It don't taste bad, but all it is, it's just uncooked ramen. That's all it is. I guess it must be a big thing in Korea. Pew, 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 pew. Maybe that's what it is. Pew, pew. There you go. Pew, pew, pew. It's pew, pew. Noodle snack. But I ain't eating any more of that. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna do it the American way, and I'm gonna add a little water to that. I'm gonna cook it. Oh, God, it's got to be a joke. Please, Snack crate. Tell me that's a joke. Is that a joke? That's something. Y'all threw that in there as a joke. God. And I saved this for the last. Pepero. Let's see. White cookie Pepero. Delicious stick biscuits. Eat coated in cookies and cream. Well, that's like at those little Japanese doohickeys. What's that called? I can't think of the name. Trust me. Smart Alec will pop it up here, but it's a Japanese it's a takeoff on the Japanese what are they called? Well, anyway, like I said, I'll put it up here. Lotte. Well, anyway. Korea #1 brand from White. Let's say White Cookie. Harmony of crunchy cookies and white chocolate. Harmony. Oh, I like that, harmony. White chocolate. Pepero ingredients. Okay, it's nutrition. Good Lord, there's all kinds of stuff on here. Jeez. Don't know what all that says. Lord, they got more regulations and crap than the United States. Let all that crap on here. Energy. Oh, this is cool. This is Korea's nutrition information. Energy. 711 K calories. 170 K I have no idea, but that's kind of interesting. They call it a little bit different. Carbohydrates, well, that's the same. Dietary fiber. Don't have any fiber, so I guess it ain't going to help with that. But, that's kind of crap. Let's just get into it. Let's see what we got here. We got Pepero. I'm thinking that those little dark things. Uh-oh, that one's broke. Let me get one that's not broke. Well, that one's broke. Oh my God. Are they all broke? Oh, broke. Oh, that's a jib. It's broke. They don't look like the picture. Well, they kind of do, but they don't. They're not, oh well. Paco, that's what these, Paco. Isn't that what they're called? Well, y'all doesn't seen the picture, but Paco. Japanese. That's all this is, just a Korean version. Let's see. I like Paco. Yeah. In fact, that's very refreshing. After eating this crap. Oh, Lord, I wish I could take that hammer and hit you over the head with it. Ugh. Yeah, it's just like Paco, only broke. Pepero. I guess that's what they call it, Pepero. What it is white chocolate. Oh, here's a little bit better one. It's white chocolate with Oreo cookie in it, or dipped in the Paco stick. Once again, I have to give Korea credit. Their sweet stuff, it's not sickening sweet. In fact, let me see something here. Trans fat. Oh, we don't have any trans fat. Calorie. Typical values per quantity serving 32 grams. I'm not real sure. Now, can't be 170 calories per stick because the sticks aren't that big. But what I like, and because I'm a diabetic, I'm super sensitive to sugar. So this, even that, you know what? I like moon pies, but I can't eat them because they're so sweet. They're sickening. These, even you can see that the chocolate covering is not real thick, and but no, these I could dig living in Korea because their sweets aren't horrible. They're not sickening. If I could afford to live on Korean desserts, yeah, you'd probably lose weight. I don't know about losing weight, but those are interesting. Those are a keeper. The only thing I didn't like, and it's not that I hated it, was this, and it's because I guess with all the other snacks being sweet, the savory snack sort of took me. Let me give it one more try. One more shot. No. I'll tell you right now. That's a pack of ramen noodles. Even the pack of spices, it's ramen noodles that they're trying to show with this stupid kid with a sledgehammer and all this smash bang and eat crap on here. All it is a pack of ramen noodles. It's all. Yeah. No. So yeah, that's not too awful bad. $14, and I kind of got a little taste of Korea. Now, I have to say, kudos to y'all, Korea, especially your moon pies. What's it called? Choco. Sorry, I don't know why it's calling it cho pie. Choco pie. Since 1974, why not? And you know what's really nice is, like I said, in fact, if you notice, oops, I might the whole thing because it really is. The more I can actually enjoy a moon pie without that sickening sweet. And you don't know what I'm talking about, especially if you're hillbilly like me. When you eat a moon pie, you get that feeling at the end, that funky aftertaste. That's another thing. Apparently, they don't use as much wax in the chocolate because I'm not getting that waxy aftertaste. It's just a good all around. And like I said, the cookie part, it's not close here. It's not extremely. It's soft. See how soft and mushy. Or moon pies, it's a little more cookie. It's not completely cookie-like, but y'all know what I'm talking about. And anyway, no more. Taco pie, that's my favorite. Pepperoni, yeah, they're good. I like them. No. And whatever bulgogi flavor is, sorry y'all. These, whatever that says in Korean, if you're Korean, maybe you can give me a heads up on what that says, because there's nothing. They're not bad, okay? But the jam, like when this one, I mean, you see it touts itself as strawberry. I keep turning it upside down. And the apple one had more of a chemical. It's like plastic. Ew. You ever eat something like it's so fake and so you have that chemically? Blech. Well, that's what that did. This didn't. I could feel it. I don't want to gross people out. I could feel the jam because of the contrast between the jam and the cookie part. but there was really no flavor to it. It's weird. Yeah, these, they're kind of iffy. Yeah, that's it. Tell you what, I'm gonna stick them in there. And these are keepers. These, yeah, these are good. I like these. My favorite are choco pie. And the first moon pie that I've had in probably 15 years. And I love moon pies, but oh God, they're so sweet. So those and Canchos, these are growing on me. To be honest, they're really starting to grow on me. Oh, that one looks sad. What is that? Oh, is he sad or no? He looks so sad, but he's not sad. It's I can't really tell. Maybe it is. Is he sad? Oh, there we go. No, I had him upside down. No, he's not sad. He's happy. He's so happy. Looks like H&R Stuffing Puff. Nom, nom, nom. I'm going to eat him anyway. No, these aren't bad. Cancho. Choco biscuit. I like them because they're everything I like except for the uncooked ramen. And the reason I like it is because, like I said, it's not sick and sweet. So yeah, let me all know. Hit the like button and give me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and what you think, or whether or not I don't know if I'm going to keep this one up because if there's really no interest in it or anything like that, I might just skip it. But then again, I might not. It's kind of interesting. If you enjoy it, great. If you don't, well, there's other YouTube channels. You don't have to sit here and watch mine. I think it's pretty cool. And I don't know what's going to come next month. I didn't get my custom. Well, I guess that's, let's see, the mini. Oh, okay, so that's the mini, the original. Custard cupcake. I don't know if I like that one or not. Ugh. I guess this is showing, yeah, and then there's the premium pack. With drink upgrade. I don't need a drink upgrade because I can just imagine. In fact, milk flavored soda. That just says it all. So I'm sticking with the mini. Y'all want to see what milk-based soda pop tastes like, then I suggest you pay the $24 for the big snazzy pack. I ain't doing it. I'm sticking to the mini pack. So that's okay. I get how this works. So there's my mini pack. There's what I got. But no, wait a minute. Okay, mine was the mini pack. I got the jam and I got an apple and a strawberry. Seacom Dalcom sour fruit chews. Where's my sour fruit chews? Whoa, wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Y'all ripped me off. Wait a minute, that's bull crap. I'm glad I looked at this. I got everything. I got my choco pie, my white chocolate pepper roll, my French pie. I didn't get my Seacom Dalcom, my sour fruit chew. I'm not happy. I'm not a happy camper, and I'm gonna send them a copy of this video. See what they're gonna do about it. What happened, Snap Crate? Where's my Seacom Dalcom? Not that sour fruit chews. Not that would have tasted anything. But I didn't get them. I did not get them. They're not here. They're not in the box. They're nowhere to be found. I feel ripped off. I feel ripped off. God, I wished I could have done without these. Ugh, nasty. Y'all rip me off, man. Yeah, I'm sending you all because there's no note. I got the mini pack, and I didn't get my seatcomb.com. I want my seatcomb.com. I want it now. You better give me some extra stuff for next month, or I ain't doing these anymore. After all, I am doing the cheapy box. But you didn't give me my seatcomb.com. That's not nice. It's not nice at all. And I'm going to end on that note. We'll see. I don't know if y'all see the next installment of this, then you'll know that I'm doing it again, or I'm decided that I'm going to keep doing this. If not, that means Snack Crate messed me over, and they're not willing to make good on it. And we'll see what happens next month. Y'all stay tuned. God bless. Goodbye.